Today, BangMung is gonna teach you how to clean your MP40. Yeah! Aww!
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah. Howdy folks, welcome back to BangMung. This is already starting to fog up the sunglasses, so how about we go ahead and tell you what we got here. So, we got our lovely little fella, our MP40 by American Tactical. And I don't think I've actually properly cleaned this fella up until now, so we're going to be here to witness its very first ever bath time. I gotta go ahead and lower this down again, because these sunglasses like to fog. Oh. So let's go ahead and get these 40 here. So we're gonna go ahead and plop our mag out. Now we got our mag out, which surprisingly loaded very nice the first time in the video. Well, the first time I loaded it, well, it broke the fucking skin on my thumb because it didn't want to load. This thing was a turd, but it worked good last time, so it's making progress. It's learning its place in our household. But, you know, same procedure, nothing to say, really. We got our CLP Earl, like usual. We got our bit long John Bill Snake. Fuck you, laughing bitch. Alright, and then we got the good old-fashioned flip it around rag. So yeah, like I said, rag. So now we have to go ahead and Earl it, but first I forgot. Go ahead and lock our bolt to the rear, if you would observe that. Now it's not going nowhere. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this fella magooer squirted into. Go ahead and get a little, God, did you hear that noise? It went... God, it sounded like a fucking sticky note getting ripped off an old man's back. What the fuck does that even mean? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and couple of squirps down there, and you know the drill. Set him up, angular style, and then get in. What the fuck? We can even make progress. Fuck, we just keep going. Oh yeah, it's on this side. I'm smart. Go ahead and pull that out right there, and the old tug. Now that didn't feel like it was enough of a firm fit, but we're gonna go ahead and abandon it and go through the box of trinkets here. I think this one. I'm gonna try and make it an extra clean boyo. That is our goal here. Wow, I think I grabbed the exact same one. Interesting, considering they look the same. Can you tell? I can't. One of them is thick, one of them is not, but well, it's clean. Yeah. Let's go ahead and look at it. Gaze upon it. It's obviously clear. Shouldn't have to clarify it this time. Looking nice. Yeah. Oh, that's a pretty looking barrel. I'll rotate the dial on the safety switch. Fucking, what the hell is this? This is the most ridiculous thing. Oh, weird. Fuck. That's the barrel clean, as we all do. Let's go ahead and give it the H&K slap, even though this is an MP40. Yeah, bitch. And the safety was on. Yeah, you're never gonna escape that. John Smith, I know you don't like it either. I always see you there. I'm gonna do it again. Just for you. Yeah. There you go, John. Okay, let's go ahead and oil this fella on the outer side now. Go ahead and put that guy back in there. You don't want to lose it now! And yeah, let's go ahead and get a fancy transition to the squirtage. Little vomit. What the fuck? God damn. Ooh, I think I went with heartburn. Okay, after that little incident there, let's go ahead and rub. Yeah, just rub around the German gun. Germans like the rubbage, I think. I don't know what else there's to say. I mean, we're cleaning an MP40. You want me to fucking sing a nursery rhyme or something while I'm doing this, bud? Just gonna go ahead and get a few extra squirts there, but I don't know what you want me to say. What do you want me to do? I'm cleaning. I mean, I can take this out, make it a little bit different, you know? Put it back in, take it out, put it back in, take it out, you know? Do a thing like that. You can do it. What the fuck? Ugh. I guess we're just gonna keep it rolling over. Yeah, a little quick action there. A little quick. What the fuck was that? What was that, bro? This is a nice little oily boily. I'm just gonna squirt in there for later purposes. You know, I think that honestly really is enough for an oiling on this guy, but like I said, I put a little squirt in there. Put that little handle thing back there, and well, for one, I need to actually make sure I get in the fucking gun. It never happened. And then do the old oiling of the action. That already feels like 300 times more schmoove. Look at that. And third time's the charm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ugh. That's what we do here. Wellston. Welbert. It would seem as though this guy is clean. With it being clean, it means it's the end of the video. I would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe here while I go ahead and take up 2 chairs to hoist my absurd girth off the ground and not fall. But yeah, clean MP40, happy Mung, Zane behind the camera, also pleased, I would assume. You're gonna go ahead and correct yourself there. You're happy. There you go. There you go. So, like I was gonna say, I am the greatness. That is soon to be BangMung, dropping the MP40 slightly. And he will see you in the next video. And I'll go ahead and show you what that next cleaning video is going to be. Because it's not going to be for a little while. Oh, it's a little further away than I expected. We're not going to go ahead and grab it anyways. Never mind. See you later. Ta-ta.